Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
Dear GM, you told yesterday about the importance to love yourself. How to love oneself when I feel so hurt? I feel I've hurt myself. I'm angry with myself. I am dissatisfied with myself, and there's so much of this anger, self-anger. So could you please tell us how to actually love oneself?
You say that you hate yourself by not knowing what yourself is. You say you are very angry at yourself by not knowing what yourself is. First, get to know what yourself is. Yourself is nothing but consciousness. And you know that you are only because of consciousness. And only in your consciousness everything appears, begins, happens, moves and disappears. You are yet to know the greatness about yourself. Once you know what yourself is, you start knowing endless peace, infinite joy, and unending love within, inwardly. You are asking how to love oneself. I tell you, you cannot love yourself. You are love itself. You are the source of love. You are the ocean of love. Your consciousness is love itself. But your consciousness, by accepting itself to be a tiny form in space, it is unable to know the love within. It is unable to know the source of love within. It is unable to know the love beyond boundaries, the love beyond words, the love beyond identifications, the love beyond time, the love beyond space. Love is beyond moments, beyond changes, beyond appearances and disappearances. Just now you are love itself, and out of the love of your consciousness only, everything happens, moves, appears, nowhere but in your consciousness. But for you there is no world, but for you there is no cosmos, but for you there is no universe, but for you there is neither object nor any movement, but for you there is neither any form nor any changes. You are yet to know the greatness about yourself. And why you are missing to know about yourself? Because you are yet to know what love is. And why you are unable to know what love is? Because you are yet to know the conscious state within you. Your consciousness is love itself. And this love is beyond movement. That's why here I ask you to close your eyes and know the stillness within. Only in this unmoving stillness, your consciousness knows itself. Only in this unmoving stillness, your consciousness is conscious of itself. Only when your consciousness is conscious of itself, it knows what love is. Only when your consciousness is conscious of itself, it knows what love is. You say you hate yourself, you are angry at yourself because you are yet to know your conscious state. Because your consciousness is yet to be conscious of itself. To love yourself, you need not move anywhere. You need not use any words. You need not have any knowledge. To love yourself, stay beyond words, because love is beyond words. To know the love in yourself, just stay beyond words and observe silently. To know the love within, no effort is needed. Effortlessly, you come to know the love beyond words, beyond sound, beyond time, beyond space. No effort is needed to know the love in you. No knowledge is needed to know the love in you. No words are required to know the love in you. No movement is required to know the love in you. You are already beyond movements. You are already beyond object. You are already beyond time. You are already beyond space. You come to know the greatness of the love within only by settling inwardly, and only by settling inwardly you remain wakeful, and only in wakefulness you start knowing the love within. This love is beginningless, this love is endless, this love is infinite, this love is eternal, this love is ever present. You are love itself. You are not separate from love. Love is not an object. It is your own subject. And here, throughout my teachings, I help you to settle in your own subject, in your consciousness, by settling in this stillness, which is eternally ever present. What you call as hate or anger are not you. That's why I say you know the love only by settling inwardly, because love is not an emotion, not an object oriented, not time oriented, not knowledge oriented, not movement oriented. What you call as anger or hatred is object oriented, time oriented, memory oriented, knowledge oriented, identification oriented. And how will you know the love beyond duality? You cannot know the love as long as you identify yourself to be a form, to be a person. You cannot know the love as long as you identify every object to be real. You cannot know the love through identifications, through words, through movements. And here, unknowingly you accept yourself to be a person. By accepting yourself to be a person, you identify that you are separate from other forms at the form level. By identifying yourself to be separate from the duality forms, you are unable to be peaceful, because you want to compete and compare with the other forms, not knowing every form is happening just now, nowhere but in your consciousness. Not only your form. All forms happen just now, just now, just now, nowhere but in your consciousness. That's why once you settle inwardly in your conscious state, you remain totally relaxed, totally peaceful, and infinitely joyful. Because you are enough unto yourself. And you come to know that you contain all. Everything is within your consciousness. And nothing is separate from your consciousness. So you come to know what real love is. You come to know what love is only when you know to settle inwardly, beyond words, beyond movement. With eyes open, you are unable to know the unending love in you, the supreme love in you, the ultimate love in you, the endless love in you. Only by closing eyes and knowing the unending stillness, you start knowing the love within. You start knowing the peace within. You start knowing the joy within. Only through love, peace and joy, your consciousness wakes up. Enough of remaining ignorant by accepting yourself to be a form, a person. Better wake up consciously, inwardly, beyond words, and know the stillness constantly, inwardly, beyond words, and know the conscious state inwardly, beyond words. Only then you know what love is. Only then you remain free from the duality emotions, the duality hatred, the duality anger, which are never you. You are already prior to the duality show, and you are ever in the non-dual reality. And love is non-dual. Non-dual means no division, no separation, no beginning and no ending, neither appearances nor disappearances. Your consciousness is the source of the entire manifested duality in space. You feel utterly relaxed once you are with yourself. That is love. You feel totally peaceful once you are with yourself. That is love. You feel endlessly joyful once you are with yourself. That is love. Better settle inwardly and know the unending love inwardly, and only through love your consciousness wakes up, and only by waking up totally you remain free from the dreamy duality where hatred, anger and emotions are accepted as real. So know the unending love beyond space, beyond words, beyond duality, beyond movement, and wake up totally to know that you are already the eternal truth, that you are the only truth, and nothing never happens to you in your original state. And whatever observed as anger, hatred or emotions are never you. They were all only a dream happening, and there is not even an iota of reality inside the dream. Better wake up and know your supreme non-dual love, which is unending and endless.